In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable autoscale in TradingView. By the end, you'll know exactly how to switch between automatic scaling and full manual control and when to use each one. Start by opening TradingView and heading to any chart. This can be a stock, crypto, forex pair, whatever you like. Once your chart is open, look to the right side of the chart area. You'll see the price axis there, which is the vertical scale showing price levels. That's the control point for scaling. Now, right-click directly on that price axis to open the context menu. This menu is where TradingView gives you quick access to scaling options. You'll see two key choices that control how the entire chart scales. If you choose Auto, you enable Autoscale. With Autoscale on, TradingView automatically adjusts the chart to fit all visible data. That means it keeps your price action and any visible indicators comfortably in view as you move around the chart or switch timeframes. It's great for keeping everything tidy without needing to fiddle with the display. If you choose No Scale, you disable Autoscale. This puts you in full manual control. With Autoscale off, you can click and drag the price axis up or down to stretch or compress the scale however you want. This is especially useful when you want to magnify a recent move, focus on a tighter range, or compare relative moves without the chart continually readjusting itself. If you find the view gets a bit out of hand, just right-click the price axis again and select Auto to bring everything back into a clean, automatically fitted view. While you're in that menu, you might notice options like Pin to Right Scale, Pin to New Right Scale, and Pin to New Left Scale. These are not global autoscale controls. They apply to specific indicators or drawings, letting you attach them to a particular scale when you need separate scaling for an overlay or tool. If your goal is simply to let TradingView handle the entire chart's scaling, or to take full manual control, stick with Auto or No Scale. That's all there is to it. Right-click the price axis, choose Auto to enable autoscale, or choose No Scale to disable it and adjust the scale manually by dragging the price axis. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.